Hello Android developers, how are you? I'm Hassan with you. In this video, we'll learn how to we added Google Sign in our Android Studio project. If we watch the demo, okay, this is our app. We'll create this like this app, okay, okay, okay. So we're gonna start create our studio project. So we're gonna I open my Android Studio. This is my project which have been done. So I get a new project file, new project. Okay, select empty activity. Okay, here is the my application name. Application name is Google Sign In. Google Sign In Demo. You can give any name. Okay, here is our package name. Okay, save location where you have saved in your project. We can select our language Java and the minimum API has 16. Okay, finish. We just click on finished. Our apps is now building, and the studios take took us a few minutes. It's to building. Okay, our project is now built. Okay, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, we're gonna uh, we have to now we have to do. We're gonna create. We're gonna add some dependencies for our project. Okay, here is those dependencies I have given in the those dependencies in video description box. Okay, I just copy it. Okay, and paste girl script build module app. Okay, here I just paste it. Okay, now and those line I copy this line and paste again here the curly brackets. Yes, okay, then I just copy the class path. Okay, and paste build build Gradle here. Okay, and sync now. Okay, our project, sorry, I just forget to connection my internet. Okay, okay, our project is now ready. I just close this step. Okay, then I gonna create we're gonna need Firebase authentication. So we're gonna create we open our browser. Here we just click try Firebase console. Okay, and open the first link. Okay, okay, our Firebase is now open, and we just click here plus sign. Okay, here we just sorry. Okay, we just click here. Okay, here we just our project name. Our project name is Google Sign In. Google Sign In. Sorry, demo. Okay, and just continue. Okay, and just continue. Here just empty account Firebase. Okay, continue. Firebase took some time to build our project, so we're gonna wait here. Okay, continue. Here the app icon is Android. We just click here. Okay. Here just our package name. What is our package name? We're gonna here is our package name. We just mark and copy it and just paste it here. Okay. Here we just our application name. We just paste here application name Google. Sorry, Google sign in. Google sign in demo. Okay, and here we just paste our uh, SRN number. So we are going here and we just click here Google and Google sign in demo. Here we click apps. Just click here apps text. Okay, and just build. Okay, build setup. Build here we just click here. Sorry, we just click here Android signing report. Okay, and here is our the number. Be careful, here is our those number. We just mark it and copy it. Okay, and we just paste it. Okay, and one more, we just paste it one more time. Here something is wrong, we just delete it and just again copy it and we just paste it. Sorry, we just sorry. Okay, we just have we just sorry, we just mark those and copy it and paste it. Okay, and register app. Okay, here the JSON file, we just click here to download. Okay, our uh, register is download. We just click here and show in folder. We just copy it. Okay, and we are going and we just click here Android to project. Okay, external libraries. Sorry. And we just paste here app. Okay, okay, our Google sign in and everything is okay. We just design our main activity XML code. Where sorry, we just click change project to Android. Okay, we just play Android and we are going to our XML code to split here and by default there is an constant layout. We just replace here, we just replace with relative layout. Okay, and we just delete text view and here is the last line is relatively up. Okay, and we just use a button. What it is sign in button. Okay, sign in button. Okay, google's android.gms.com.sign in button. Okay, here is the with parent and wrap content. Okay, wrap content, sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, wrap content, and its must needed id. Okay, android id is we're gonna give her name bt sign in. Oh, sign in. Okay, and we're gonna give her layout margin 10 dp. Okay, and layout center in parent for 2, and we click here I button and show system UI for our design view. Okay, we just open here, close here, and we are going to the now our main activity Java code. Okay, and here I have declared some variable. First, what is the first? What is first is button sign in button. Okay, its object is bt sign in. You can give any name object. Okay, and also needed Google sign in client. Okay, and its object is Google sign in client. Okay, and needed to Firebase authentication. So we're gonna create a variable declare Firebase auth, and its object is Firebase auth. Okay, in our uncreate method we're gonna initialize our variables. So we're gonna find our button bt and sign in is equal to find view by id r dot id dot bt and bt sign in bt sign in button. Okay, sorry, I gonna okay, bt sign button. Okay, where is missing? We're gonna replace here this. Okay, and okay, bt sign in and close it. And we need google sign in option. We're gonna need google sign in option. Okay, its object is google sign in option is equal to new google sign in option. Okay, dot builder. Here we're gonna paste google sign in option dot default sign in. Okay, and we're gonna close it and dot request token. Okay, and here is our request token id. We're gonna id so we're gonna double quotation here android to project, and our google json one here. This is our id. We just mark it and copy it and paste main activity here. Okay, and dot we're gonna request email dot build. We're gonna close it, and we need Google and API client. For this, here is our error. Okay, the error is gone now, and we're gonna paste here Google sign in client, and is equal to Google sign in in dot. We're gonna get client. Here we're gonna paste main activity or main activity dot this. Okay, and comma Google sign in option and semicolon. And we're gonna add listener to our button btn sign in dot set on click listener new v on click listener. Okay, here we're gonna paste our we're gonna help on intent, and its object is intent is equal to Google sign in option Google sign in client into get sign in uh, intent get sign in intent and close it, and start our intent. So start activity, here we're gonna paste start activity for result. Here we're gonna paste our intent object intent, and we're gonna give default request code is 100. And now we're gonna help on Firebase authentication. Firebase is equal to Firebase auth dot get instance and close it, and we're gonna help on Firebase user. So Firebase user and its object is Firebase user is equal to new Firebase auth. Sorry, you just Firebase auth in dot get client user and just paste here semicolon, and we're gonna check our Firebase user. So we're gonna help on if else method if Firebase user not equal null. So we're gonna start activity. We're gonna start here our activity. So we're gonna start activity. Here we just paste here new intent, and our package name is main activity dot this, and we're gonna goes to others activities. So we need create an activity. So we just change here project to Android, and here the package name new. So here the package name we just select here and right here and right click mouse option, and we just give new and just select our activity. We just here is empty activity. We just select empty activity. Here is our activity. We just paste here our activity name is profile activity. You can give any name in you need it, which you need it. We just click here finish. Okay, we just go on our main activity and we just paste here profile activity. Okay, profile activity and dot class. Okay, and we need here set flag, and we just paste here intent dot flag activity new text. Okay, and we just click here. We're gonna call here our activity result on activity result on activity result. Okay, we're gonna sorry, uh, here we just check our request code. If request code is equal 100, then we're gonna text, we're gonna need help to text, sorry, text, and here we just uh, place Google sign in account, Google sign in account, sign in account. Okay, and its object is sign in account, sign in account text is call. We're gonna paste here Google path, Google sign in dot get signed in account from intent, and here is the print data. We're gonna paste here data. Okay, we're gonna create double quotation, sorry, data, sorry, it's just we're gonna create here the semicolon, and we gonna have need our condition. Again we're gonna check our condition if sign in text, sign in text is successful, dot is successful. So we're gonna paste here in toast. We're gonna display here toast. For this we need we're gonna need a string variables, just string, and its object is s only, and uh, we're gonna create we're gonna write here anything you just need it. Okay, Google sign in, sign in successful. Okay, and display our toast, and then we're gonna close here. Okay, and display toast, display toast, object is s. Okay, here we just needed our toast method. We just click here to create method main activity. Okay, and we just seek our toast. So for that we're gonna see need time cache help. Okay, tie, and it's here is just cache, and its cache is exception. Okay, exception e. Okay, and it's also uh, e dot pin stack. Okay, and then we're gonna check our Google sign in account, Google sign in account. Okay, Google sign in account, Google sign in account, and its object is Google sign in account is equal. We're gonna sign in account text dot get result. Here we just paste API application, API app exception. Okay, dot class. Okay, it just proceed, and we just place a semicolon, and we're gonna check our again. So if Google sign in client not is equal, you're gonna paste not is equal null, and then we're gonna need help to auth credential, and its object is auth credential is equal to Google auth provider. Google, sorry, we had just paste Google auth provider dot get credential, and we just paste Google sign in account dot get ID token, and paste null and paste semicolon. For this, we're gonna help needed to Firebase auth. Here is just Firebase auth dot sign in with credential, and here just we paste our auth credential, sorry, auth credential, and dot add on complete listener, and here we just paste this comma and new on add complete auth result listener, which will suggest us first, and we just paste here enter. Okay, and we just close it and semicolon, and on complete on our private void on complete method, we gonna check our text dot is successful. We gonna need start activity. Okay, start activity, and new paste here new intent, and we're gonna paste here our package name main activity dot this. Okay, and also needed we're gonna goes to our profile activity dot class, and enter dot set flags, and flags we're gonna paste here intent and dot set flag new text. Okay, and just close it, and displaying our toast, so we're gonna display toast. Okay, display toast, and we're gonna paste here, we're gonna write here something, we're gonna create right here Firebase authentication is successful. Okay, Firebase is successful, authentication is successful, you can you gonna type here anything. Okay, it's totally depend on you, and here we else displaying toast, we're gonna uh, we're gonna just copy it and paste it again, and we're gonna authentication is failed. Okay, plus we're gonna have paste text dot is get extension. Okay, and also we're gonna add a message get message to go to in dot get message. Okay, and here is our toast, we're gonna create a new toast here to, so we're gonna toast dot make test, and we're gonna help get application context or main application get application context comma, and we just write here anything we just no, need it so right here, so we're gonna toast context comma as, okay, and we're gonna comma toast dot length short and dot uh, close it and dot show. We're gonna call show method, and we're gonna to need our uh, profile activity design. So we are going to now profile activity XML code, okay, and here is our given is by default constant layout. We just replace it linear layout, okay, linear layout, sorry, it's the linear layout, okay. Here is also we're gonna replace with linear layout, linear layout, okay, be careful. And by default linear layout orientation is given by horizontal. We're gonna set we're gonna need its vertical, so we're gonna change it orientation is vertical, okay. And also we're gonna give here gravity center, okay. And we need an image view, okay, image view, and its width height is 150 dp. You can give any size which you need it, okay. And we're gonna give here an id, okay. Yeah, here we just ib image, okay. You can give any id, okay. And also needed a text view, okay. Text view is width is wrap content, height is width, and id is, okay. IDs we're gonna give here tv, okay, tv text, okay. You can give any id name, any id which you needed, okay. And you gonna we're gonna text here size here 20 as we're gonna give her text, give her text size is 20 sp, and it's styled, we're gonna give her the style, text style is bold, okay. Italic also, it's looking nice. And its color, we're gonna change its color. From color you can give any color, we can just color we can let's select just color primary, okay. And also needed a button, okay. We just close it. And also needed a button, okay, button which is wrap content, height, width, and also text where, and we're gonna give here text is log out, okay. And we're gonna text button size 20 for 20 sp. You can text, sorry, text style, and it, yeah, it's no needed, we just delete it. And we're gonna text size is 25 sp. You just, and it's also measure needed id, okay. We're gonna give id is bt log. You can give any id which you needed in main activity, okay. And we just close it. We're gonna design our, and also we are give margin top, okay, margin top for better looking, margin top 28 sp d, sorry, dp, okay. It's looking nice, okay. Our xml code design is finished. Now we are going to our profile activity java code, like where here we just declare our variable which we have created in xml code, okay, image view. And its object is now image view, okay. And text view, okay. And it's it's text view, okay, text view. And its object is text view. And we're gonna button object is button. And also need firebase authentication, okay. Firebase auth, and its object is Firebase auth. And also needed Google sign in client, okay. We just needed Google sign in client, and its object is Google sign in client, okay. And we have now initialized our variables on get method. We just find our image view, text view, and button. And image view, we just image view is equal to find view by id r dot id dot it's an iv image. Okay, it's which I given this id. And also needs text view find, so text view is equal to find view by id. It's just similar on this like. And text view id is equal to tb text which I given here you. And also need button is equal to find view by id r dot id dot. We just give here bt logout which I have declared in. Okay, and also needed Firebase authentication. Here is just Firebase authentication. Small sorry, Firebase auth is equal. Here we just is Firebase auth dot. Here we just get instance and close semicolon. And Firebase user, we just needed Firebase user here, and its object is Firebase user is equal. Just paste here Firebase auth dot get current user. Okay, and it just close paste here semicolon. Okay, we just take it our Firebase user which is equal fire node, or Firebase user which is node is equal null. And we just needed guild. Okay, glid guild into dot with, and with its needed profile activity. Okay, dot we're gonna paste here our package name profile activity this. And we dot what's needed to help load method and load. And we just paste here our Firebase user. And dot is equal to dot get photo url. uh, okay, and we just need help into. Here we just paste our image view. Okay, and we just paste here our semicolon. And also needed text view which where we set text. Okay, here we dot set text. And we gonna set text here to from Firebase user dot get display name. Okay, and this is, and we just paste here now Google sign in client. Okay, Google sign in client is equal to Google, sorry, capital Google sign in client. And we're gonna, sorry, Google sign in, sorry, can I have a, sorry, it's sorry, here we're gonna paste need to Google sign in dot get client. We're gonna paste here our profile package name profile activity and dot this. And we want to go. And we need also Google sign in option, where you just paste here Google sign in option, Google sign in options. And also paste here default sign in. Okay, and also we just close here. We're gonna paste here the semicolon. And we needed a listener to we're gonna need uh, we're gonna add listener for our with our button. So sir, so button dot set on click listener. And here we just paste view on click, sorry, in small new p dot on click listener. Okay, and on click where on click listener where just we gonna check here our text is successful or not. Okay, here we're gonna check here if text. Okay, text dot is successful. Okay, sorry, it's totally go mistake. We're gonna on click where we gonna First we're gonna need help to Google sign in. Okay, we just here paste Google sign in option. Google sign in client dot sign out, and also dot add on complete listener, and new on complete listener. Okay, here we just paste here and semicolon. We just here on complete listener, we just take your text. Okay, if text is stored is successful. Okay, we're gonna help needed to Firebase. So Firebase user Firebase auth dot. We're gonna paste here sign out. Okay, and also needed answer which will also give here and toast. Okay, and toast profile activity. Okay, and we're gonna create give here sign out. Okay, you can give anything which you have needed, and also needed finish. We just called here finished method. Okay, our actions now finished. We just run it and check it which is working or not. We just run it and check it. Okay, people are just running. We're gonna need here to manifest file. We're gonna get here manifest file. We're gonna need here to internet permission. We're just running our code and just check. We're gonna check here our post and it's working perfectly. If it's working not, or you just find any error, you just comment on the comment box. I will replay your comment, and if you watch the video and it's and if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and like our video. So goodbye.